quick, healthy snack that's great for after you work out, but you'll never guess what the best ingredient is. Grab a couple rice cakes, add your favorite peanut butter. I use organic, add local honey, and the secret ingredient is high Flavanol Cocoa Powder. And the reason I use high Flavanol cocoa is because a lot of research has been done lately, and they've been studying how it can relate to heart health, circulation, nitric oxide. Those are just the few things researchers have been studying as they relate to cocoa flavanols. And after doing some digging, they found that most of the cocoa powders you get at the store may have lost a lot of their flavanols due to over-processing. But Black Forest found a way to keep them in. And it's way easier than I thought to add it to the things I was already eating or drinking. I added it to snacks, coffee, protein shakes. These were on sale. I'm not sure if they still are, but if you want to check these out, I'm gonna drop a link down below so you can.